Audible ma? Online students, am I audible to you? Can you please confirm the chat? Marishetti, Vamshi, Muhammad, Amlan, Raja. What happened to remaining people? Abhishek. Bolo, bolo. Audible or not audible? Say yes, 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 yes. Why are so silent? Manish, very good. Venkat Ramna, good. Basha, Biswajit, Pritish, Nivrita, very good. Sai Sudhir, Ayappan. Chalo. Sharing my screen. Let me know, are you able to see the screen or not? एक बार बताओ, are you able to see the screen ma? Not you ra. Online students. Next question. Question number 1. Okay, very good. Next question. Today, how many are new members? Raise your hands. You also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 members. So new means first class, huh? Raise your hands. Online students, still raise your hands. Just counting. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These also are same count. 10 or 10? Yeah, less members only. So these are the new numbers. Very good. This is completed. Question clear. Next, numbers. Please note down the numbers. Please note down the numbers. First, online admin names. Online admin. The two admin numbers are there. One is Nagababu sir. Another one is Dream sir. Online students, this is for you only. Nagababu sir and Prem sir. So Nagababu sir and Prem sir. 1 minute. So the number is 9063042468 and Prem sir 799799791. These are online numbers. For you all said help note down it. Those who are new. Suppose in future if you want to attend online, so you need to contact with these guys only. Suppose you are going to home, some emergency, you want to listen from the online class. So everyone should note down these numbers. So these are online. And next, offline admin. There are two admins are there again. So one is, you can contact immediately Ajay sir whenever you want anything. Ajay sir is your point of contact. Ajay sir. Seven double nine 7808. 799 788. And next thing is Beam, sir, he will stay in the down. And third one is in the evening, Rakesh are also available. Rakesh sir also will be available. Rakesh sir is our tall guy. That's the Rakesh sir. And Ajay sir just now outside is there na. He is Ajay sir. So Beam sir, we can see is like look like a gym body guy kind of thing. Okay, that is the Beam sir. That is that we can notice that. Next one is your trainer name. I hope you know my name, Omkar sir. So 970196233. That is my number. Note on the three numbers. You can take screenshot if you want. These are the numbers. Please note down it, ma. Online students. So next thing is for Naresh IT community. For Naresh IT community, we have one WhatsApp group also. WhatsApp channel also we have for Naresh IT community. So now I will share that WhatsApp channel. You can take the pic so that you can get all the recording videos or any informations, workshop informations and anything we can get into that. Chat group scanner. Scanner किधर है? Don't read other messages. I know, you cheaters. Take the pic, everyone. Not coming, huh? Group link disabled, huh? They are saying it only. Baapre. Invite link reset, huh? Chalo, wrong link. Tomorrow we'll share them there. Wrong link. Wrong link. Arre baapre. Yeah. So on welcome note, yeah, wrong link. Chinna Afruddin. Wrong link hai wo. Okay. Tomorrow we'll share the links. So the agenda for next 3 days, this is the agenda. So today we'll deep dive to syllabus, all the syllabus, everything, syllabus, all the syllabus. And second thing is we'll show the some projects, some real-time projects, some real-time projects. We'll show that real-time projects. And third one, we'll show to some job offers to make you confident. Job offers. So many people got job, especially freshers. Offer letter. Underline. What is that underline? बोलो. Rule number 1 क्या class का? Rule number 1 is interactive session. Rule number 2, follow na. Underline karo. What is that? We'll show the job offers of what? Freshers. And then fourth is we'll install Python platform. We'll install the Python platform in the classroom in front of me. You need to install, and then we'll continue our class. We'll start the Python sessions. So this is the agenda. This is agenda for next 3 days. Okay. So we'll deep dive into full syllabus and we'll show to some real-time projects and we'll show the job offers and we'll install the Python and we'll start the Python sessions. First of all, I'm so very happy to connect with you. Yesterday I got one message. I got little emotional. I want to share with you that. So where is that? Is guy arrived or not? So hi sir, it is almost at night 11:49, almost 12 o'clock. So sorry to disturb you. You are not disturbing me. Don't worry. Okay, I'm not feeling like that. And second thing is, you are recently watched the data science video. So much emotional. I believe that I'm typing message from Chhattisgarh. You are coming. Okay, Omkar sir is waiting for you, ma. Okay, please come. Online students, those who are sitting at home, first 1 month you required Omkar sir. Other than experienced candidates, those who are freshers, first 1 month you required Omkar sir because the class is completely interactive sessions. With me, you will practice in the class, the Python. Once you clarify the Python end to end, then no one will stop you. You can attend the class from anywhere in the world. That is. But if you feel like that your laptop very new, that means you are not at all open the laptop till now. That's category. Your English is very poor. We are not able to understand the English properly. And I'm requesting you, Omkar sir is waiting for you, Aja either. Okay, Chinna. Online students, especially. So, chalo ma. Let's get started. So first day we covered the two things. What is data science? What is data science? And what is the definition of machine learning? And then what is the life cycle of data science? So if you don't feel like it's a bore like that, because today so many people are joined new, almost 25 members are joined new, both offline and online. So I'll just recap for them so that we can continue the next class. It will take just little like 15 to 20 minutes. So what is data science? What is the definition of ML? What is the life cycle of data science? One more thing is the past recording videos. The past recording videos already Prince sir messaged in the chat group. Can you check it, ma? Online people immediately in the chat group. Can you check it? Already Prince sir messaged, ma. There. I am also sharing again. It's messaged already. It's there here. Say yes, 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 yes. New people. Only new people. Those who are new today. Satyakiran, why you are saying yes? You are already old now. Basha. Abhishek Kumar. Next. अरे ज्यादा पीपल राइज किया ना रे हैंड रिमेनिंग किधर गए अरे ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स साहित्य यू आर नॉट एबल टू एंड चैट ऑप्शन राज बबलू very good, this is for you only, the recording videos for you only, ma. And offline people Ajay sir will give, or you can message me, I will give if they will not give. Okay, that is the one thing. So let's get started. So we'll start with our 3 questions. Last time class happened, this time you need to say answer very fatafat. Tell me the first image meaning. Bolo. Human. What is the meaning of human evaluation? From where to where? From chimpanzee. From monkey to and robotic. That means this we are not believe that you are coming from monkey. Are you believing that? Still some research is going on, right? But this robot is invented by human. Will you believe that? Because you are seeing with your eyes now nowadays. Can you tell me some examples of the currently robotics which are current generation? Some robotics are alive now. In that, one of the good thing is name is called Sophia. That is I given the name. You know Sophia? Sophia is a robot, human robot. And Devika, you know Devika? Not heroine. A software engineer, Devika AI, like introducing Devika. Open source AI software engineer, Devika also AI robot only. I think in Odia also one news reader, AI news reader. AI news reader in Odisha. Now, this lady is not a TV reporter. She is AI. Odia people बुझी पहले तो देख लिया अच्छा which channel हाँ ओ टीवी है ओडिया टीवी है ओ टीवी means अच्छा ओडिया टीवी है अरे वाह you are very very fast in the India that's and one more guy is there Devin engineer Devin AI and Devin AI also a software engineer a first software AI software engineer AI software engineer now will you interested to will you are getting some enthusiasm to develop the robotics say yes or no बोलो yes रा अरे you are sitting in the class you are not saying yes क्या रे बोलो yes बताओ yes otherwise you will become audience only you will not become a tiger ka master no what is our thing if tiger is considered as AI you have only two options now option number one is what either audience or master you want to be audience you want to clap or you want to be tiger ka master why because like I told in 90s when computers emerging you can ask your fathers maybe those who are educated and working employees when 90s when computers are emerging everyone afraid about the losing jobs now but jobs are not lost jobs are created enormous jobs are created everyone using the laptop everyone using the computer even a shopkeeper also using the computer only nowadays you go anywhere now imagine that all the shopkeepers all the shop people those who are using the laptops now they tomorrow they will use AI they'll use AI so will it possible or not what do you think definitely it is possible now in future everyone will learn how to use AI even your fathers and mothers also in future because they already learn how to use the WhatsApp now my father learned is almost 70 years old he knows how to use the mobile phone he's always nowadays always in the mobile phone then I ask him when you are in the intermediate he scold me why you are every time in the mobile phone now what you are doing every time you are in the mobile phone only that is he also addicted to mobile phone always shots YouTube calls WhatsApp होता ना WhatsApp screen क्या डालता status today what status today this status and you will eat you will be good healthy you will not eat otherwise you will get bad health that kind of quotations so he like most okay so that is using in next 2-3 years down the line there are so many AI centers are emerging now AI centers just 2-3 downs in the line what they will do they will teach how to use the AI they will teach you how to use AI but this class will teach you how to How to create an AI machine. That is the difference. There and here. That is AI is everywhere. AI is everywhere. Like whenever we are talking about AI, why was the impact of AI? We are talking about the tools and technologies, no? Tools versus technologies. Now in the tools versus technologies, tools every 2-3 years, one tool will come, and that tool will be gone. The tool will be gone every 2-3 years. Like the best example is programming languages only. Now we know some programming languages. First programming language is what, ma? C language. Next to programming continuous what, ma? C++. Next to what, ma? Java. Next to what, ma? Python. Next to Go language is coming. Next to Go language is coming. Next to whatever you are writing, almost that become code or not? That ChatGPT is giving or not, Chinna? ChatGPT. How many are using ChatGPT nowadays? Raise your hands. Raise karo na. You are using for what? What purpose? To finish the projects, huh? Cheaters. ChatGPT. Whatever you are typing, it will give the code, right? We already seen some exercise. We already seen that assignment creation, huh? So ChatGPT pass every exam, huh? Except IAS, huh? Except UPS exam. That is also very, very difficult. UPS exams are more than AI mindset. That is. So like we already seen that, what is the, write a program, write a program, write a program to create, to generate, to generate first 10 numbers. We are writing like this, suppose. Write a program to generate first 10 numbers. For I in range of 1, 11. So how to connect with your thing? Suppose I am opening the Google Colab. I am opening the Google Colab. So this is Google Gemini AI. So don't think about that, like how we are doing here. Let's run this. Let's see here. In order to connect that, we need to use one API key. Here, this is the API key. Like API key means, suppose you want to log in through your Gmail account. Kya chahiye? Email ID, password. So in order to connect that website, so you need to think like this. This is suppose your ChatGPT or any AI model. This is any AI model. Here might be any AI model. That AI model performance you need to use for your use case. This is your platform. Suppose this is your Python platform. You need to connect from here to here. You need to make a connection here to here. How can you make the connection? Through API key. They will give one API key. So I generated, this is my API key. Suppose for example, then suppose now I am asking a question. List of top 5 Indian cricketers. The same thing I am asking here. List of top 5 Indian cricketers. Bolo, who is that list of top 5 Indian cricketers? Sachin. That Virat Kohli, no Gavaskar. अरे तो पूरा इंडियन रे. रोहित शर्मा, सचिन, गावस्कर, कपिल देव, बुमराह डायरेक्ट. हाँ, धोनी धोनी नहीं चाहिए. हाँ, चलो. Let's see your favorite cricketer is there or not. अब्बा फर्स्ट विराट कोहली रहना है ना. Yesterday how many runs किया रे? विराट कोहली, सचिन तेंदुलकर, MS धोनी, रोहित शर्मा, कपिल देव. Same question will ask here. Same question will ask here. Sachin Tendulkar, विराट कोहली, सुनील गावस्कर, कपिल देव, MS धोनी. इधर रोहित शर्मा फैन नहीं है इधर. So both are different models. This model is a Gemini model. What we are using is a Gemini model. This model we are using what? OpenAI model. So in the class you will learn how to use all kind of AI model for your use case. That is, because that is the main goal for our is. And not only that, and these all are the interactive session, like we already seen that. What is 10 plus 20? What is 10 plus 20? 30. Like I made fun on my wife. If she knows, she will kill me, definitely, I know. But let's see. But my wife says 40. Then extra 10 out of love, whatever. This also becomes so romantic. A model also. You might want to double check with her. Maybe she adding special tags. Special tags. Okay. Now we can convince that she is math teacher, also cracked the Olympiad test. As Olympiad test. Your wife math on gold medal. I won't dare argue with her. Maybe she is using some advanced mathematical logics. Explain her fun puzzle. Yeah. So she is saying that, trying to convince what we are saying, and saying that still stick on to that. And diplomatic answers also will come. Suppose who is greater between between Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli. Suppose if you give that, who is better? Huh? Rohit Sharma, na? Virat, huh? Are both are better, no? Online people, I am not seeing any answers from you. Sleeping or what? Uto. Both Virat Kohli batting for us. Considered one of the greatest batsmen, explosive opener, captaincy, records, playing style. Who is greater as a batsman? Virat Kohli. As a captain, Rohit Sharma. Both legends are their own right. What do you prefer? Like that. So, like it trying to convincing you. So, AI models are how to make your AI models, how to make your AI models for your use case. For your use case. Like tomorrow we'll show that some use cases, how we'll make that use cases. And next thing is, next image is, we are going to that. This is the next image. What is the meaning of this image? Bolo? Very good. Now you used to drones, huh? Very good. Before you want to take one, snapshot, one photo click from the sky, you need what you need? First, helicopter. Helicopter run करने के लिए कौन चाहिए? Pilot job one. Pilot job, helicopter should go very smooth. Which job चाहिए? ATC, air traffic controller, ATC job, like ATC technology, and next to cameraman. Suppose three main people are there. But here who is there? Who is there? Only one drone operator. Drone is created new job or not? Drone is created new job. But all jobs are gone or not? So technology is updated. When technology updated, it creates the new jobs. So what is your job then? You need to adapt the technology. You need to adapt the technology. Today, when I am starting, there's no Python. When I am starting my career, there's no data science. Then I know the future of the data science. I know the AI. When I'm doing the research on the VLSI, I'm a PhD candidate in N.I.T. Warangal. So when I'm doing the research, people are talking, the professor talking of the AI technology. So that I'm passionate about that, then I jump into AI field. So now AI is the most in the visit. The 10 years back, I have seen that. Now still people are learning. Nowadays the flow is coming. So many people are coming learning AI. So minimum 10 to 15 years, the flow is there for you. And next, the third one is your famous image. Bolo. What is that meaning? When ChatGPT comes, it skills all the coding languages, instead of I need to add one more thing also here, it's killing the human mindset also. Human thinking power also it is the, killing, because we're always using what? ChatGPT only. The humans are forgetting to write the code by their own. That is, even a kid, 7th class kid also using the ChatGPT finishing the essay. They're taking the picture, the mathematics homework, and it's calculating all the mathematics homework. Then why this much is coming in our life? This is, we are inviting this much in coming to life. So here we should not at all be audience. If you are audience, your job is done. Your job is done. Your job is done. Because we already seen that Google has fired entire Python team. We already seen recently. Last week, Google fired entire Python team. In April 2024, report surfaced that Google fired the entire Python team because Google has tied up with many companies. Many companies, there are especially Indian companies, they will feel like the cheap labor. Cheap labor means will work for the, how much is the starting salary of the fresher? 3.6 lakh per annum in 10 years back also and now also, but they want to work as 90 hours per week. Okay, that is. So they are given, they think like that we are a cheap labor. Then suppose imagine that the Google employee, they are offering 1 crore people. That 1 crore, how many times 3.6 into 1 crores will come? Tell me. Suppose 4 crores ले लो. 4 crores कितना? 25 members. Sorry, 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs, 25 members is equal to 1 crore. So that 1 crore guy is equal to how many members? 25. So they are removing all those guys. They are expanding the operations here. So they are giving the more work here. Because they are calling as the cheap labor. We don't want as a cheap labor. We want to show our skill. In order to show our skill, the AI is the right platform now. AI is the right platform because there are so many emerging technologies are coming. In that one emerging technology, beautiful technology is what, ma? Data science and AI. Tell me another technologies. Bolo? Cloud computing. Cloud computing. Bolo, online people, you are not saying anything. Don't sleep, ra. Arey, blockchain, IoT, cyber security. Next. Bolo, next. LangChain. LangChain is the Python framework, ra. Bolo, next. Augmented reality, virtual reality. AR and VR. Next. Power BI. Emma. Robots and cobots. Power BI is a tool, ma. Power BI is a visualization tool. Tableau is there, opposite Power BI के लिए. Now, data science and AI के technology के opposite any technology is there? एक ही technology है. Technology means that. Physics means only one subject. That is called what? Technology. Physics. Chemistry is one technology. Mathematics is like one subject. Mathematics opposite any other subject is there? No, no. Python is a tool. Python opposite, there are so many things are there. C is the one programming is there. Java is the one programming is there, like that. So don't think like that. These are the emerging technologies. Now you need to learn out of these technologies, one technology you need to learn. Now that technology is definitely should be a data science and AI. That is. So these are the future technologies. So the future technologies. Now, what is exactly how this, I am not audible. We are not unmute you, Vivek. What is exactly how this either AI models or learning? Let's do that one session. Like we already taken one thing is called one example. What is that example, ma? Mom versus kid. Bolo, what is that case one? Case one, what we did? Mom watching TV. Mom watching TV. Now kid is asking, what is asking? Kid is asking, Mama, what is that? Now what mom is saying? It is a TV. Now what is question here? Bola ma, online people, what is the question here ma? The question here, what is that? Mama, what is that? What is the answer here? It is a TV. Now a kid will think why? Why this is the question? Why this is the answer? Bolo, why that was you feeling that ma? Now, Mama, what is that? Is your kid question? Mama saying that it is TV. Now, kid is thinking that why is trying to understand the patterns. What are the patterns? One is rectangular box. Online people, jara bolo na re patterns. Kya re? Bolo. Sound, colors, screen, and moving objects. Moving object means there is might be a Chiranjeevi is available, there might be a Amitabh Bachchan available. Okay, but he don't know, na, he is a Chiranjeevi. But he knows some guy is what happened. He is moving like that. Moving objects. So next case 2. Case 2, Nam mom went to mall to watch a movie. Now, this time mom thinks that I already trained my kid, I will test my kid. Now, mom is asking, beta, what is that? Now, what is your beta answer? Pakka, that you will say TV only. Pakka, you will say TV only. Now, what is the question here, Chinna? What is the question? The question is, beta, what is that? What is the answer, Chinna? It is a TV. Now, why that kid saying that? Because he thinks this all patterns are what? Matching. The old patterns are matching here. The old patterns are matching here. The old patterns are matching here. Now, mom say that, now mama will say that, no beta, that is not a TV. That is what ma? That is a theater. Now what kid will do? Huh? Kid will eat first. क्या बोलते रहे मामा पहले वो टीवी बताइए अभी थिएटर पे बोलते हैं क्या but then he will update the patterns. Why mama saying that what? Mama saying why it is not a TV, why it is what happened? Theater. Bolo why theater ma? Rectangular box but large and sound also but high. Colors is there? Yes. Colors also? Yes. Screen also bigger. Screen is bigger. Moving objects is there? Yes. Moving objects also? Yes. What is he has ma? And he also some darkness also there or not? Some darkness is there. At home, so much light, but in the theater, what happened? Darkness. Oh, he doesn't like what happened, ma? More crowd also there. Like he likes what? Popcorn and ice cream. 1,000 rupees for that only. Popcorn and ice cream. That is. He likes that most. Now case 3. Now mama is watching movie on laptop. So this time mama is asking a question, beta, what is that? Beta, what is that? Now that kid is says what? He will either TV, either TV or theater or just see the sky. Just to see the sky. What should I say? Who will see the sky? He is a good guy. He is a good IQ guy. Who is saying first two answers is a normal. Who is saying this guy unfit? Okay. Who is saying this guy? Okay. Okay. But who is seeing this guy is in the sky. Now what is happening here? Every time you are passing what? Question. Every time we are passing a question. Every time you are passing a question here. A question is passing every time here. You are passing a question to every time. Also, first time you are passing what? Answer also. A question you are passing. A question you are passing. You are passing a question. You are passing a answer. Then your brain will identify the some patterns. Why this is happened? The patterns will store somewhere. The patterns that may be images, that may be diagrams, that may be information, whatever it is, that may be colors, that may be shapes, whatever it is. Now a new question occurs. A new question you are passing, unseen only question. This brain try to give the answer. This brain try to give the answer. If this answer is correct, yes, we are happy. If this answer is wrong, then we will train again, we'll pass the corresponding answer to again to the brain. So keep on that patterns are what happen? Updating. And that exactly happened in the AI learning patterns. So the best example, that's why we are taking like this. So if anyone asks you what is the AI meaning, simply you give x is equal to y is equal to x is equal to 1 and 1, 2, 4 and 3, 9 and 4. What is that answer? 16. Why 16? What is happening in your brain? In your brain, what is happening? Tell me. In your brain, you are passing the x. In your brain, you are passing the y. This brain is thinking x into x. Thinking or not, brain? Now a new question is passed into brain. The brain immediately giving what? 16. That exactly happening in the bigger way. You can't see that is a very, very bigger way. That's called what? Neural networks. That's called deep neural networks. That exact. That's why the definition is what my definition? Machine learning will take the Boloma will take the past data, will analyze the patterns, when an unseen data or question will pass, it's try to predict the answer. That's all. That only you need to learn. In your entire course, this is only your main goal. What is the main goal? Bol again, repeat again. Will take the past data, will analyze the patterns. When unseen data will pass, it's try to predict the answer. That's all. So how to generate this pattern? That is the important question here. How to generate the pattern? For that, we have 4 models are there. And that is one of the very, very important models called machine learning models. Machine learning models. And second one is deep learning models. Deep learning models. And third one is natural language process. Natural language process. And fourth one is that is your famous generative AI models. Generally, this is y is equal to x into x. We call what here? That is called mathematical equation. If anyone ask you, they will say that math equation. But if you ask any machine learning guy, he will say that is a pattern. It's a pattern. It's a pattern. It's a pattern. So if you store somewhere, kind of it's become a model. It's become a model. It become a model. So there are 4 things now. First one is what ma? Machine learning model. Second one is what ma? Deep learning models. Third one is what, ma? Natural language process. Fourth one is what, ma? Generative AI models. Machine learning model generally will take the tabular data. Tabular data. Tabular data means we have a prescribed format like this. Like we already seen here, for example, data files. Suppose this is called one housing. This is called median income. Meda ends nothing but what, ma? Median income. Suppose you got 8 lakhs 30,000 rupees per month. Imagine that how much you are getting? 8 lakhs 30,000. The house age is 41 years old. Average rooms are 6.9, means approximately 7. Average bedrooms, 1 bedroom. The population in that area is 322. Average occupation is 2.5. Latitude, longitude. This is the house value. House value is equal to 4.5 crores. 4.5 crores means this is the input, ma. The house income, house age, average rooms, bedrooms, population, these are the inputs. Value of the house is there, na? That is called what, ma? Output. That is what output. Means suppose a loan defaulter is there. We already taken the loan defaulter question. In the loan defaulter means, suppose can I give a loan to a particular person or not? Particular person or not? That is the question. Suppose. Then we need a data. The data looks like this. Suppose age, gender, income, credit score, credit card score, credit score. There the output is there. There the output is there. The output. Yes, you can provide the loan. No, you can't provide the loan. Suppose this is the data. It's like exactly tabular data. Tabular data. Now suppose age is equal to 30 years. Gender equal to male. Income is equal to 25K. Credit score is equal to suppose 600. Now, no, you should not give the loan. Now age is equal to 25. Female is there. 50K is there. Now 750 is their score. Yes. Suppose yes is there. Suppose you are giving the 45 guys coming. Now male is there. He's saying that suppose his income is equal to suppose 60K. His credit score is equal to 770. Now machine learning model should say what is the answer? Then you are saying what? Yes. It is a small problem. Small pattern. In real time, bigger problem. Bigger problem, human brain is not enough. So we need what? That is like that. And in order to perform that AI, we need a platform. That platform is called Python platform. We need a programming language. AI is Raja means it will come. Huh? It will not come. You need to write a Python code for that. You need to write a Python code so that you can able to do. Now deep learning models. Deep learning models mean suppose there is a one AI model is there, one AI model is there like that. You are sending one image. Suppose, imagine that you are a human being here. You are a human being here. You are a human being here. I am sending one image for you. And that image is look like this. Suppose I am sending the car image to you. Not auto, car only. Okay. We are sending a car. Now suppose you are the human being. I am not saying it is a car. Now tell me what is this? What is your answer? अरे कार जैसा दिखता नहीं रहा बोलो ना कार बोलो ना what is the answer you are saying what car you are saying car suppose if I am sending some human being here if I am sending some human being suppose a human being the human being I am sending now who is this human being is smiling or not smiling Smiling. He is smiling. You are saying or not? How AI model will say? Patterns again. Correct? And that model is called deep learning models. That models is called what? Deep learning. So deep learning models mainly work on what? Images. Images and videos. Following online students. Where is your answers, Chinna? Online students. अरे इतना बोरिंग क्या रे? हाँ? Online students. Chinna, uto. Don't sleep. Evening you should not sleep. Am I audible to you? Can you please confirm the chat? Say yes, 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 yes. अब बोलता है yes. Now they are saying yes, na? At least they are responding now. Now, natural language process. Now look at the board. One example. This is one of the ultimate example. The entire world got shocked. Okay. Suppose when I say king equal to man, then queen equal to कौन होता? कैसे बोल दिया? Online people, answers बताओ रे. What will answer? King equal to man, queen equal to कौन? Woman. What is the answer? Woman. How you are saying that? So many things are there or not? English language is there, English language understanding is there, gender relation is there, not only gender is there, king means royal, man means normal. There's so many things are A, D, B, C, so many things are there or not? All these things, how AI model will say. And that is the one of the very, very beautiful thing. King minus man equal to woman. MIT review in 2015, they are thinking like that. The marvelous mathematics computations of linguistics. The entire world got shocked when the AI mission able to identify king minus man plus woman equal to what? Queen. That's why this article in the MIT review, artificial intelligence. When it is 2000, आप क्या? What is this? Now you are in which class? How many years gaya? That much old this is actually. That much old. Getting? It's not too late. I'm saying what I'm saying. So that is nothing but NLP models. That is nothing but completely text data. Completely text data or audio data. Video is already over now. Video is the images. Now Gen AI models. Gen AI models means all kind of data. Any kind of data you'll pass, it's able to do. Ultimately, the main thing is what is the focus they are saying that pattern recognition only is the backend. Whatever the image, you are sending the image, you are sending the text, you are sending the data. Ultimately, you need to send the pattern images. How that pattern images works? How that patterns will generate. That patterns will generate using mathematics. Using math. Bolo loudly, using math. Using math. Online people using. So a good data science and AI engineer should be learn what? Mathematics. I'm not asking you tell me Taylor's rule. I'm not asking you tell me Euler's rule. I'm simply asking a 10th class mathematics. Suppose for example, a 10th class mathematics means, suppose am I writing y is equal to mx plus c. Have you seen this equation somewhere? That is enough for me. That is enough. Suppose I am asking you, suppose, I will teach you, ma. I will teach you. Suppose for example, I am asking you that, tell me the, like we'll take one example and we'll see that how the mathematics plays vital role, we'll see. Now, we already seen one example, no? This is for new joiners only. There are two persons are there, A and B. A is first buying what, ma? Car. B is also buying car. A is buying laptop. B is also buying laptop, and A is buying a TV. Now B is also buying a TV. Now this time A is buying a cycle. Now what you recommend to B? Some pattern is going on or not your mind? How can you say that pattern exactly in mathematical way? That is that you will learn here. Omkar sir will teach you. If you don't know mathematics, Omkar sir will teach you. For example, both are going in same direction or not? Both are going same direction or not? You are saying yes, I am saying yes. You are saying no, I am saying no. You are car, I am car. You are bus, I am bus. Both are going in the same direction. Same direction means A is going to like this. This is A. This is A, ma. And I am drawing the B also. B is also going the same direction. Now this time taking the red line. That is called what, ma? B. I'm going up, that is called B. Both are going into the same direction. Now this time A is going to the this direction, X direction, that is the A, but B is going to the vertical direction, that is here. Now this is B. Both are how much? Now here this is A, this is B. Now again both are like A is going like this and B is going like this. Now this time B is going like, both are completely opposite. You say yes, I will say no. That much behavior. You have any friend like that? All wife and husband like that only. Madam also always like that only. I say yes, madam will say no. Okay. So now tell me, what is the angle between these two? 0 degrees. At least you know or don't know? Don't know? Now let it. What is the angle between these two? 0. Now angle, raising angle. Now here angle kitna? This everyone knows. I know. What is this angle? How much this angle? 180. This angle kitna? 180. You don't know now, remember. If you don't know now before, you remember now. Now cos 0 kitna? You don't know, Google it. No problem. Google it. I don't want answers. I want whether you are able to understand the pattern or not. You are able to understand the logic or not. With this age, you need to understand the logic, not remember the bunch of formulas. Formulas textbook is giving, na? Cos 0 is equal to what? 1. Cos 90 is equal to what, ma? Cos 90 is equal to 0. Cos 180 is equal to what, ma? Cos 180 is equal to minus 1. Cos 180 is equal to minus 1. 0 means both are going to same direction or not? What is the answer, ma? That means 100% relation. What is the relation? 100% relation. Both are going different directions or not? Cos 0 kitna? 0. 0% relation. No relation. Both are independent each other. Now both are, you are going yes, I am going no. You are both are opposite or not? Minus 1 nothing but what, ma? Minus 100% relation. Your a theory, your mind theory is coming into the mathematics or not? That is the beauty of the mathematics. That's why I usually say data scientist or a modern astrologist. Astrologist क्या करेगा? Future predict करेगा. But he will not predict with any evidences. But data scientist has the evidence. That evidence is mathematics. So mathematics is very, very important. Omkar sir will teach you. Don't worry afraid that. If anyone said that without mathematics you learn data science, don't believe that. You require minimum till 10th class mathematics. That is my job. You simply come to with empty minds. Now, chalo, we'll take the life cycle of data science once. Life cycle of data science. In the life cycle of data science, the first one is, what is that first one, ma? Gather the data. First, whatever you do, you need what ma? Data chahiye. You need data chahiye. Data client will give to you. Data will given by client. Gather the data. But when gather the data, so where he will give the client will, where he will give the data? Which location? That may be cloud databases. Databases. They will share to you like that. Chinna, I provided the data in database. So you take the data from there. You take the data from there. So immediately, which skill chahiye? What is the skill you want? SQL. What is the skill you want? SQL. The first thing is the SQL. And second thing is what ma? Data pre-processing. Data pre-processing. You will say that, sir, the data is fully corrupted. I am not seeing anything in the data. Then the client will say that, अरे भाई वो encoded data है, decode करो. Encoded है, decode करो. Then you need a skill. What is the skill ma? Again, either SQL you required or Python required. Now here in the third case, we will do data analysis. Data analysis. We are calling the fancy term. What is the fancy term? Exploratory data analysis. That is called EDA. Now here you required SQL, Python, Power BI, and statistics is the subject. Three things required. And the fourth one is now model development shuru hota. Model development. In order, how many types of models we have? 4. What are the first thing? Machine learning. Second one is, third one is natural language processing. Fourth one is generative AI. Bolo again, repeat karo. Machine learning, and deep learning. This is your core subject ma. Deep learning, natural language process, and Gen AI. Model is developed. Then we need to what? Test the model. That is called what ma? Model evaluation. Model test karo. Then kya karna ma? Model deployment. So these are the steps. The main thing is in this, the first 4 your data analyst skill. The first 3 is the data analyst. Gather the data pre-process, data analysis is the data analyst. Yesterday also one person has got the job ma. One person got the job. 1 minute. So Prithviraj yesterday he mentioned that he got the job. Then I asked him, Prithviraj, he said that got job, data analyst intern. So he messaged me, the starting they are giving 20,000 rupees per as the only internship in the data analyst first 3 months, and then is the permanent next. That is. He the recent 7:30 a.m. batch, the recent completed batch. That is. He got the job in the data analyst. Not only that. So I am tying up with one company also for the job opportunities. He is my biggest fan for the MLOps course. He is the CEO and director in the London, in the UK. So he is requesting the MLOps classes, MLOps training. So he's waiting for that, waiting for that. So then finally I given my number to him like that. So yesterday I talked with him also like that. So he has some resources he want and you are the good for that. That is like so many companies are I type like this. So I type with good different universities also. So we'll discuss that further. We'll discuss that further. Bolo, repeat with me. First step is what ma? Gather the data. Second step and third one and fourth one. How many model developments ma? 4. What are those? Machine learning, deep learning, NLP and AI. Fifth one, model evaluation. Sixth one, model deployment. And coming to that, your job opportunities, and I will show that tomorrow how many students got the job, especially freshers. At that time we'll discuss. I already discussed about this. But I want to show one thing. Those who are new, especially this class is dedicated to those who are new only, ma. Because Monday generally some more extra people will add 30 members around. So for that we need to do. So this is your Google Classroom. Once you enroll, your name will be there here. These are all our batches, my batches. So suppose here you see your name will be like this is there. Here admin name also there. Nagbabu names are also there, like admin names, my name, and Naresh IT. We are the teachers, and these are all the students. Almost there are 250 students are there. Then once you enroll that, you will add your name here, and here you will get all the links, all the classroom access, lifetime access. So I will scroll down just to look at that. I will just scroll down. What is there, ma? What is there, ma? What is there, ma? What is there, ma? Here Power BI, here what is coming? Here what will learn? Here and the time series. Here Gen different, here AI different. Both are different again. I will tell you that. And what is there, ma here? In our class we learn Azure also. In our class we learn complete Azure ML also. We will learn it. I already taken some workshops also on that. That's available. What is there, my here? And what is there, my here? What is there, my here? BERT is a very famous model in NLP. And word embeddings is also NLP model only. YOLO is the image detection. What is there, ma? What is there, ma? What is there, ma? What is this, ma? Transfer learning. What is this, ma? What is this, ma? I told now we learn ML also. What is there, ma? NLP, Python, and deep learning, and Bolo, and students will draw. Students will draw like this, ma. Students will draw. Suppose they will draw the images with a hand. These all are good students. Not opening. Late. Open karo. Students will draw manually. The best beauty part is here you always with home cursor only. You will not alone to study. They will draw like this. If that guy is able to draw means you are also able to draw. You are also able to learn it. That in front of me, everyone should do. That is. So that is the beauty of the classes. And let's come to here again. Yeah, next to Flask application, resume is my responsibility. Resume projects, how many projects to given to you, how to build your resume, that is completely my responsibility. So you need to talk with me, whether a career gap is there, whether a non-IT background, whether your IT background, what is your suitable resume, then we'll discuss personally. That is. Next, what is there, ma? ML, machine learning assignments. Next, Python. What is this, ma? Python OOPS concept, assignments, and Python OOPS. What is this, ma? Streamlit. Next, what is this, ma? And what is this, ma? And what is this, ma? interview questions, interview guide by students, machine learning textbooks, PPT, assignments, classroom. Classroom, we will write here, you should write there. Python code, we will do here, you need to do there. And I will share the PPTs, I will share the assignment, I will share the textbooks. Other than क्या चाहिए तुमको? And exams also there, weekly exams, assignments. What is there, my year? EDA. What is there? EDA classroom. GitHub also will learn, ma. GitHub also will learn. What is this, ma? Here, statistics, interview preparation, data files, maths for data science and AI, all materials, blogs and content writing, Python intermediate, certifications, exams, Python materials, assignments, basic and syllabus and installations. All you will get, ma, Chinna, online students. So quickly, I will show here. This is the high level overview. High level overview, just have a look. This all will covered high level overview. Just have a look. And what you will get from me is quality training and certification. Internships I will provide, ma. Everyone should do internships, freshers. Experience के लिए internships नहीं चाहिए. Only freshers के लिए जरूरत है. Okay, internships. That is my job. I will help you to how to pass the internships assignments also. And placement support. Hand holding. You want poor hand holding चाहिए? Like this, क्या रे? Hand holding है how you learn, ma? I will help you means we will sit together. I will teach you. You need to do it and you need to show to me. Sir, everything you do, just give me to me. Just I will share to interviewer means. How can you do that? Daily assignments, presentations, blogs, doubts, and special training. Call me at any time. And what you will get from Naresh IT? Bolo, first one is what, ma? Naresh IT certification. Next one is what, ma? NASCOM. Third one is what, ma? Classroom recordings you need to pay. Message me, ma, Nivrita. Live virtual lab mentorship. And offline lab, ma? Offline people have a lab is there in the third floor. Have you seen that? Tomorrow you go and check it. Okay, after the class, you just go and check it or before the class. Third floor. Live virtual lab mentorship, and this is for online people. And placement assistance, ma? Google Classroom Access. Just now I showed you, na? That's called Google Classroom Access. Weekly exams, screening test, ma? Every 2 months, Naresh IT will conduct one exam. That is called screening test. By the time of your batch, there might be 3 exams will be happened. You can attend any batch. You can attend any exam. Once you classify, 1 month free training will provide. That training also I only taken. Okay, that trainings also complete, industry oriented trainings, that is. Anyhow, we'll do in the class, but there what happen, you will have thoda edge hota, means you will be first preference for the companies ke liye. And materials, and that's all. Chalo. Those who are having doubts, tomorrow we will start little, new things. I am assuming that tomorrow you decide your mind. By tomorrow we can start little more. So these are the final students kind of thing from tomorrow onwards. Chalo ma, thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Good night, ma. If you have any doubts, you can talk to me, ma. అజోర్ కేసు కావాలి కేసు ఉంటే మనం కనెక్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు అది మనకు పోర్టల్ ఐడి కావాలి ఏదైనా లాగిన్ ఐడి కావాలి కదా ఏదైనా లాగిన్ ఐడి కావాలి దానికి లాగిన్ ఐడి ఉంటుంది కదా అవి ఉంటే మనం చేసుకోవస్తుంది రేపు ఒకసారి చూపెట్టు నాకు ఎట్లా చేస్తున్నావు Send me, ma, send me. Anything, anything. Like just a mobile phone kind of thing. If you know how to use one mobile phone, you can know how to use other mobile phone or not. Same, all are same only. बोलो. हाँ.
मैं अभी थर्ड सेमेस्टर कंप्लीट कर चुका हूँ.
बोलिए ना.
एमसीए. हाँ, आपको बोला था मुझे ना थर्ड 3 महीने है मेरे पास, 3 साढ़े 3 महीने. नहीं, मैंने मेजर प्रोजेक्ट देना है कॉलेज में और जस्ट सर्टिफिकेट ये बस इंक्लूड करना है. और उसमें इंटर्नशिप का सर्टिफिकेट में मुझे एक्स्ट्रा कुछ नहीं है, जो भी आप करवाओगे.
ठीक है. वन इंटर्नशिप सर्टिफिकेट चाहिए तुमको.
6 month का सर.
6 months का.
हाँ.
6 months का internship.
हाँ.
So for 6 months, they will give first offer letter to you.
ऑफर लेटर.
First you need to show that offer letter. 6 months में 6 months होने के बाद they will give the ना.
सर 6 मंथ तक टाइम नहीं रहेगा. 5th मंथ में 15 वो जस्ट सर्टिफिकेट चाहिए कॉलेज में देने के लिए.
We'll discuss.
उसमें कुछ नहीं चाहिए.
We'll discuss. Okay. Discuss.
सर क्लासेस कब से स्टार्ट हो जाएगा?
कल से like you know कल से projects and like that will start.
थैंक यू
सर बीकॉम बैकग्राउंड से
हाँ.
సో
हाँ बीकॉम లో मैथमेटिक्स स्टैटिस्टिक्स ఉంటుంది కదా. స్టాటిస్టిక్స్
ఉంటాయి కంటిన్యూ చేయాలి.
చేయొచ్చు. తీసు बोलो हाँ तो हिंदी 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 और इंग्लिश बढ़िया थोड़ा थोड़ा खबर. which batch? अच्छा. कब हुआ 15 दिन. अजय आउटसाइड. अजय सर. because already 4 members are joined from your batch.
क्या करना है? पिछले पीछे मतलब पीछे
I'll talk to Ajay.
इधर स्विच कर दिया सर.
So you how much you paid? You need to pay total money and you can join. Na? That is the deal I think. Total money means 21,000 something is there. No? I'll talk to Ajay. Ajay? ఏమైంది